kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Ashbaugh. I'm here to practice some of our sight words with you. So I have all of our sight words written on some cards. When I hold up the card, I'm going to say the word, and then I want you to say the word back to me. And then we'll say the letters, and then we'll say the word one more time. So I'm going to hold up the first sight word. The first sight word is my favorite sight word. It's the sight word the. So can you say the? Good. What are the letters for the? T, H, E. And what does that spell? The. Very good. Now I'm going to use it in a sentence. The ball went over the fence. Can you turn and use the word the in a sentence with your grown-up helper? All right, our next sight word, A. Now you say it. Good. How do we spell A? A. What's our sight word? A. I had a bagel for breakfast. Can you use the sight word A in a sentence? Our next sight word, I. How do we spell I? I. And when we write the sight word I in a sentence like, I am wearing antlers today, I have to make sure that the sight word I is an uppercase letter because now it's a word all by itself. I. All right, here's our next sight word, see. How do we spell see? S-E-E. And what does that spell? See. I see the dog out my window. Can you use the word see? Look around your room and use a sentence, I see, and something in your room. Good job. How about this word? And. Let's spell and. A-N-D. What does that spell? And. I have a son and 3 daughters at my house. Can you use the sight word and to tell about 2 things you have? Good. Next sight word, like. How do we spell like? L-I-K-E. And what does that spell? Like. Good job. I like Starbucks. Can you use a sentence with the word like? Great job. And this is our last sight word today. Can. What are the letters for can? C-A-N. And what does that spell? Can. Very good. I can drive a car. What can you do? All right, kindergarten friends. Now we're going to play a little mystery game. I'm going to hold up a sight word and I'm only going to show you the first letter. The letter is C. The sound is k, k, k. What sight word starts with k, k, k? Can. This sight word starts with L. L says ol. Which sight word starts with ol? Like. This sight word starts with A. The sound is a. What sight word starts with a? And. This sight word starts with S. S. What sight word starts with S? C. Very good. How about this one? This sight word starts with a T and an H. TH says th. Which sight word starts with th? TH. E, the. And then we have 2 sight words that are just letters all by themselves. But if we use them as words, this sight word is I and this sight word is A. Today for your activity at home, you're going to color a hot cocoa picture and you're going to color by the word at the top to match. So A is orange and that is green. And you're going to finish coloring this really cool hot cocoa picture. Have fun practicing your sight words.